What's up everyone, I'm Flint the Adventurer and welcome back to Living Lucky Blocks. As you can see, we got a few here. Also, this is an area I found while riding the little thing, and I thought it was really nice, so I might come up here a lot more to do my intros. But let's open up some of these Lucky Blocks, see what we get. Come here. Oh. Sweet Tooth. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, get out of my inventory. And I cannot take off my armor. I'm the green fluke. I have kidnapped him and taken his identity. And also this, I haven't named him yet, but I'm making sure he doesn't die. I want you guys to name him. I found he's part of a lucky block. He has a bunch of hay inside of him. I think that's how I healed him. Is he full health? Oh yeah, that's how you heal him. Feed him these. But write down in the comment what you guys want to name him. And crap. I had something else. What else was it? What else had dang it. Okay, and also we have two things to do today. Can you get down here without taking damage? Yeah, there we go. Okay. We have there's the prison. The prison. Ooh, fire. Ugh, this is a dangerous area. Ah! Okay. You're all good. You're all good. You're fine. You're fine. Okay, there we go. And we replant. Don't eat. There we go. Okay. We have two things to do today. Oh, you cannot jump. Oh no. He is not a very special one. Stay out here. Do I have a lead? What the? Well, okay, we got two things to do. So, why does he sound so mad? Is he scared of something? Oh, there's a zombie out there. Okay, he's scared of something. So, okay, hold on. let me save this guy. You're all good, bro. Calm down. Calm down. Just go on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. It's so loud. Come on. Go. What are you running from? There's nothing else out here. Ah, whatever. Scream all you want. Oh, is he scared of the pigments? They don't do anything. Oh. Pigments are friends. Don't be scared of them. Okay. So, back to business. So, what we're doing today is we're gonna reach the top of the Lucky Block antenna. I'm gonna have to get a bunch of blocks to do that one. And second one, I was thinking about finding the golden cow, but I don't know if that's just like in the world or it's a Lucky Block thing. So I don't know if I should do that one or build a snow golem in the Nether. Nether is pretty easy because I got enough stuff to make it. I don't have flint to make the flint steel though, so that's something. Oh! Oh wait, isn't there something to do with you? Let's see. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see a lot. Oh, sell out a lucky trader. Oh, okay. I don't have any red stuff, so I can't really do anything with that. Yeah, can't do anything with you right now. No! 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 He died! He died by the thorns. These things are killers. They kill everything. Oh no, man. Oh man. Ah, no. Oh god. Oh yeah, this is Kane. You guys saw. You guys saw. You guys saw. Raphael. Oh, that thing's in a. Let's quickly open this. Oh man, that's sad. We didn't even get to name him. I am now up here. Oh, okay. We didn't even get to. We didn't even get to name him. That's so sad. Oh man. Is life even worth living now? Lost my only friend in this entire world. Well, I guess the flukes count as friends, don't they? What? What? Hey, thank God I didn't do any damage, but okay. That's fine. I don't really care about that. It's getting nighttime and I'm scared. I don't have a bed with me. Ah, man. It's really sad, you know that? It's really sad. I'm gonna have to make a burial for him. We can make a burial. Let's see. Where's a good place to make a burial? Ralph, please, please. I can't hurt them. What? Oh, I can. I just have terrible aim. I don't want to kill you. You're my favorite Ninja Turtle. No. You're my favorite. I don't want to hurt you. Well, I already hurt you, but you know. Stop screaming. It's not gonna hurt you. Let's see. My inventory's completely full. I feel so cluttered. Hold on. Be right back after I get everything situated. Okay. Oh, what happened to my water? Well, anyway. Now we can collect up my friends. Where's the chest? This man picked up the chest. Give it back. It doesn't belong to you. Drown. I don't care for you. Oh yeah, you can get on land now. I dropped some gold. Let's see if this luck about give me something good. No! Oh, wait. No, it did not. I thought they didn't attack. Oh, he's fast too. Okay. Ooh, actually, he might give me diamond armor. He might give me some diamond armor. Peter. Oh, hello, Peter. Die, Peter. I want your sword and armor. Oh, wow, he dropped a lot more than I thought he was gonna drop. And they're almost completely broken, all of them. Great. Oh, that's amazing. So helpful. Now, we gotta find a place to bury him. Also, thank you for the guy who told me that this was a lobestone. It was something I said in the first episode of this. Thank you so much. I do not remember your name, but I will try to. I'll try to remember it during this video. I'm sorry. But anyway, let's find a place to bury him peacefully. No, up there, since that's where I found him. Or did I find him up there? Ah, it's the most beautiful spot, so I'm burying him over there. So let's go do this right now. Please don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Okay. I didn't die. Oh, hello creepers. Let's go to bed. I can't go to bed anywhere except for the mountain because the house over here with the house over here is infested with, what are they called? Silverfish. It's like completely infested with silverfish. I don't know where they are, but it's like, look at that. Yeah. Ah! Ugh. Can I sleep here? Okay, I can. Okay, I can sleep here. I thought I couldn't. Thought I couldn't for a second. But anyway. Oh, there's a chest down here too. So many chests. I can just put stuff in there. Let's just put that in there since I can't really do anything with it. And I don't want to break it yet. Oh, this place is so dangerous. Also, I'm thinking about... Oh, hello. Oh, where is it? Oh, there's Snuffles, I think his name is. What is that? Shield. Ow! Go away. Michelangelo, how you doing, bud? Join the water. You know what? I feel like we can kill Snuffles now, right? We got a shield, we got armor now. We can kill Snuffles. Let's do this. Okay, Snuffles, it's the final battle. I'm gonna need you to get out the water. Come on. Come on. Let's put that in there. Come on. You can do it. Hey guys. So, I keep saying that you guys know about this stuff, but you don't. I'm sorry. I was supposed to record me opening some Lucky Blocks, but I think my recording stopped somewhere along the way, and I didn't get to record it. But the only things I can remember is the Elder Guardian and the Ninja Turtles, and also the donkey, RIP. But I believe that is all. I'm sorry if you guys were confused, but enjoy the rest of the video. Oh. Ah, this is lame though. I don't want to kill him like that. Come on, I want an epic battle. Oh. Okay. Well, that was a very, very sad ending to Snuffy. Really, kind of wanted a much better battle than that. And he didn't really drop anything either, just some crystals in a glass bottle. Wow, I am thoroughly upset about that. Wow, okay. Wow, okay, he was like the big boss in this series, and I thought it would be a lot harder to fight him. Yeah, I guess not. I guess not. What are you doing all the way up here? Oh yeah, I gotta name them all. Banana? No. Lemon. That's a pretty good name, Lemon. Lemon. What are you doing up here, Lemon? Let's see, what are your traits? Is that yellow or orange? Yellow. That looks orange. For 5? Oh, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of crystals. I don't know if I should do that. I will think about it. I don't have any yellow or red crystals. They're so expensive. I didn't know they were like gonna be that much. In the water. There we go. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go make this grave for, I don't know, the unnamed donkey. I don't have a sign right now, so I can't really put a name on it. But I'm sure he appreciates it. Appreciates it. That there, okay. And then we got some, had some podzol, but not anymore. Some the hay. Let's just spread around. And what else? The saddle in the middle. I'm gonna have to get that hay back. And let's put these right on top of it. There we go, the unnamed donkey. He lived a very, very short life. But anyway, that sounds so mean. Anyway, let's. I'm gonna get a bunch of blocks, and we're gonna get on top of the antenna. So I'll be right back. Yeah. With my legs. What the? Well, thank God. Oh my God. I went to a flower field with thorny bushes and withered flowers. That's nice, I guess. Okay, I got some wood. Haven't turned them yet, but I want to open this lucky block. Oh, well, look at that. Huh. Wow. Okay. Don't need this wood anymore. Well, thank you. Yes, we're so lucky. We got so much good luck this time. Out. Don't need that extra thing. Please just drop out of my inventory. I'll keep the boat. Wow. That is so nice. Let's open this one too. Come here. Please don't kill me. We'll keep the doctor away. Wow, a golden apple. Wow, okay. No, give me that back. Stop going so far away. I need you, possibly. No one knows. But wow, that is so lucky. You got a golden apple, and I got a bunch. That is a wither flower. Okay, that was a wither flower that I placed on top of myself. That I stepped on. I don't even know language anymore. What's English? But it's super lucky. We got some pretty good luck today. I don't really remember if we had anything bad happen. We killed Snuffy, the big bad. What else? I have terrible memory. I can't remember anything else. We killed Snuffy. Oh, we got a bunch of the blocks to build with. Honestly, I just feel like we got really lucky today. The luck gods are on our side today. And I really appreciate it. I am messing with the path for no reason. And I'm wasting blocks for no reason as well. We just have so many. Should I sleep? I'm gonna sleep real quick. What do I have in the chest? Oh wait, can I make a chest with this? A shulker box, I mean. Shulker box. Oh, do you need like 3 or something? Oh, maybe I need the chest first. Don't I have the wood on me? Am I blind? I'm probably blind. Yes, I am blind. I did not pick any of those up. Shulker box? Yes, shulker box. Oh, I can make 2. Well, if I had enough wood. But hey, I got a shulker box now. Put that back. Okay, that's so helpful. My inventory is always completely full. Just put that down. Put some of these in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. That. Put those in there. Put some of these in here. Okay. Got me a backpack now. Oh, did not go to sleep. Also, I'm sorry if you guys can hear me sniffle a little bit. It's because I guess I think I'm sick. A little sick. Please, sir. Yes, go get him. I think I'm sick a little. I think I'm a little sick. I don't know. Or it's maybe because I think I'm a little sick, and I probably. So I'm sorry if that bothers you guys. I'm trying to edit them out and everything. Sometimes I just miss them. Oh, I don't want to die again. Do I have a water bucket? I do not. Ah, man. Okay, I don't know how high I gotta go to do this. Okay. Okay, you can't build right there. So until I can build right there, maybe I gotta go a lot higher than the antenna. Oh man. Oh, I'm out of pink. Get some brown. Oh, out of food. Oh, I can see the whole village. Oh man, this is scary. This is so scary. I'm at build height. Okay, I can do it now. No, I can't. How am I supposed to do that? I'm at build height and I still can't get up there. What? Oh, this is such a waste of glass. How am I supposed to get up there? Oh, dude, I'm so stupid. No. Huh? What was that? What? What was that? Who meowed? I don't know if you guys heard that, but a kitten has meowed. What is going on? Hold on. Okay, what was that? Huh? Okay, so a kitten meowed. He wanted some attention, so I had to give him some. Oh, I can't build right there. But yeah, I have a ender pearl I can use to get up here. So yeah, I can get that and oh, am I crouching? Yes, I am. Okay. I can't build over there. I wish I still had it on me. Oh man, I didn't put it in here, did I? Nah, of course I didn't. Oh wait, I do have something I can use to get out here though, without dying. A boat. Now let's go. And I still died. No. Oh man, I thought that wouldn't kill me. I don't have it in here. Ah man. I honestly thought that wouldn't kill me. Oh yeah, I have to go in and out of it. Oh, I can't do that. I'm not that skilled. Oh man, most of my stuff went down the hill. Dang it. Well, whatever. At least I didn't have to waste so many blocks. Okay, I want to try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm probably gonna die again. Ah, missed it. I almost had it though. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back, and I will. Next time you see me, I will be up there on the antenna. Okay, I'm back. I got the ender pearl. I'm on top of the stained glass bridge thing. It's pillar, more like pillar or tower, whatever. Now all I gotta do is not miss, and I do not throw ender pearls a lot, so oh, I'm so scared. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, and throw. Yes! Yes! I did it! Yes! Oh my god! Now how do I get down? What? 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 I'm floating right now? Please don't fall. Huh? Yeah! And that's forever gone. all, all of that loot is forever gone. I cannot get back up there. And the trophy. Oh, I got the trophy though. I kept the trophy. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. Okay. That is all that matters. That I kept the trophy. Okay, I'm keeping. This is the trophy that stays with me forever now. This trophy is never going to leave my side ever again. Never. Oh my goodness. Come on. You're coming with me. Oh my god. I can't get that loot anymore. It's gone. I can't get that. Oh man. Oh, that iron. Oh, the shulker box. Oh, thank God I can make another shulker box. So that doesn't matter. I can make another one. I can make it. Oh, that food though. Oh, and the nether axe. I opened a lucky block off camera and got another axe while I'm breaking on it. Oh man. And all my crystals. Oh man. I can't get back up there. Ah, dude. It tricked me with that The what's it? Barrier blocks. I didn't know. Ah, dude. Man, dude. Dude. Oh, but I did remember the guy who told me about uh yeah, I told him about the lube stones. I hope I'm saying that right. Lube stones? Lobe stones? Uh, thank you, Jack, for telling me what the block is. I could have looked it up, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't because you were my first real comment. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And I believe this is gonna end off the video. I know I didn't get to do the Nether thing. Oh wait, no, hold on. Please don't tell me the obsidian was in the shulker box. Oh, please don't tell me it was in the shulker box. Oh no. Oh no. Also, there is. Oh, I'll check later. Oh man. Oh man. So that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I sure did. But I know we didn't really end it off on a good note, but you know, we got the trophy. That's all that matters, right? That's all that matters. At least it matters to me. But hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I sure did. And subscribe, leave a like. Leave a like. Thought I messed up again. Leave a like and howl down below. And howl and leave a howl down below in the comment section. But enjoy the rest of you guys' days or nights, and I'll see you guys soon.